Good morning to respected principal, teachers, guests, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year, India observes Teachers' Day on 5th September. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, our second president and a great teacher. Teachers guide us and help us become good citizens. On this way, we thank all teachers for their dedication. Teachers inspire us to work hard and follow our dreams. Let us all show our gratitude and wish them a happy Teachers' Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.